There have been a lot of changes to Infinite Campus this year, and so first I'm going to walk you through how to get to your gradebook and how to set it up. To get to your gradebook, before you could click on it over here on the left, but it's no longer there. You need to go up to the top in this green bar and click on the grid, and then click on Campus Instruction Beta. Once that loads, you'll see some of the familiar things: your gradebook, your roster. This is where you can get your rosters if you want, when we go to post grades, or if you want the reports like the blank spreadsheet, those can all be found right here. So to set up our gradebook, we go to Gradebook. This is also where you'll access it. So once you get to your gradebook, your screen will look like this. So you want to click on the blue settings over here, and we want to create our categories. So you'll click on Categories. So to do this, to add your categories, you'll go down here to where it says Add and put in your category names, the weight. You'll click to make sure it goes to your, if you want to put it in multiple classes, like this one needs to go to both of my Spanish 1 classes, and then you'll click on 18-week grade and then save it. And then you'll do the same for all of your categories. Remember, you want them to equal 100% for the 18-week grade. And then we also have to add our category for the final exam, just like we did before. Unfortunately, there's something weird with the program. You can't make it 100%. So what we're going to have to do is make the weight 99.999%. It's the closest we can get to 100 right now. This could change in the future, but for now, that's how you can set it up. So again, select which classes you want it to go in, and this one, remember, is going to go in the final exam task, and save. All right, so once you have all of your categories in, save them and close. And then we need to go to our grade calc options, just like we did before. The first time you go in, you'll have this screen. You want to hit continue. Up at the top where it says fill calculation type, we want in progress grade. Then you need to select the grading scale. For general classes, you're going to use the secondary standard scale. If it's an AP class, you'll use the secondary weighted scale. And you want to make sure you click weight categories. And then save it. All right, that grade calc options you will need to do with all of your different classes individually, but you can copy over your categories if you have the same categories in different classes. Like I just set up my Spanish 1, but I can copy those categories from my Spanish 1 to my AP classes, for example. So you'll just click on whatever ones you want to copy to, and hit next. You'll select that that's what you want to do, copy them, and you're done. We also now, on the settings here, while we're here, you can select different, if you want different colors for passing and failing students, if you want to make sure it alerts you to save your grades beforehand. And so here, where all of your options that previously were in assignments, they're all right here now. So I hope that helps you set up your gradebook. Let me know if you have any questions.